friends, so I'm going to share with you. I'm preparing fish curry. So the fish curry, see, I've got all my fish cut up and all. See, the fish is all cut up, and I'm going to mix up with prawns, which shrimps as well. See, so the big ones I'll put some of these because it gives it a good taste. And I've also done my masala. See, I've put Kashmiri chili, then I put some hot chili, then I put onion, jeera, the normal, ginger, garlic, see, and some tamarind because I don't use vinegar. So I'm preparing actually, it's called amod tik in Goa. It's like sour and hot, but they use vinegar, and I don't use vinegar because we were brought up like my dad never said, he said not you, vinegar is not good for health. So I use tamarind juice. You use natural stuff like tamarind juice and lime juice. So I've done that. And see, when I cut my onions and all, I keep a bowl and I put all the rubbish here. So it's good. So I've got my tomato paste. So when I'm doing the bagar, I've kept everything. See, you keep everything ready like this. So I've got curry patta, then I've got jeera, rye, and some red chili, two red chilies from my trees, and some green chili. So that's for the bagar, and then some garlic and ginger. So not ginger, just garlic because I put ginger in this, yeah, and I put dhania and jeera, pepper, the normal stuff, and you see how this is for my treat. This is all for my treat. This is curry patta. So what I do, I take out from my tree and I freeze it, not in the freezer door, but in the freezer compartment, And then I take out and I keep in a bag like this in the freezer door, and I give you. This is for my tree, so even you can just buy from the market and you can do this. So it stays like at least for 6 months. Nothing will happen to it, and you can always use it. But always take out stuff and keep in a small bag, and that you use from the fridge, yeah. But this I have freezers and all, so I store it. But you can store it in your own just as the fridge freezer, yeah. So now I will do. I'll be grinding this masala that I've got. Then I will do a little bagar with I kept a small piece of onion, as you can see here. I'll do the bagar with the onion, and I will put the bagar with the bagar masala. I will share with you. So when you say amod tik, we don't use coconut, but that's called amod tik, So I'll just have a look and see whether actually you don't use coconut juice or whatever, but yeah, when I'm cooking it and I feel that I need to make it like a prawn or fish curry, I will use it, but otherwise you don't use it. So you just have it like spicy stuff. So I'm just cooking, so I tie my hair and stuff at the back. Yeah, so just got everything organized with my kitchen, and I'm also cooking in the air fryer. See, I'm cooking chicken, but I don't think I can put it out. So you see, I'm cooking chicken here in the air fryer. See, it's coming out so well. See, I'll show you. See, in the air fryer. So see the air fryer I was telling you. I was telling you that to buy one like this. See, so I'm cooking the one here. It is here like this. See, yeah. So you all also can get one like this, yeah. And then I'll just, yeah. So I've got everything ready now. I'll be cooking and doing my. I've got 2-3 jobs outside, so I have to go out as well. So I fed all the birds in the morning, and getting this my kitchen now. I'll do this. It won't take time. That's why you have to always get your fish and all, and I keep it in the cooler. I have done it previously, not today. I've done it previously, and I clean the prawns and put the masala and kept. That's a normal haldi and all. And then I'm going to cook it. I'll grind this now, yeah. And see this, all this, and then I will do the bagar. And when I will prepare the dish, I will share with you. That's my fish curry. Yeah. So when you cook it, when you put your bagar and all, then if you want, you can fry your fish a little bit and put it, or you can just put your fish, put the curry first, let the curry cook nicely. Then when it is used, check it with spice and all. Then you put in when it's boiling, then you put in your fish and you make it slow. And then on 15 minutes or 15-20 on slow fire, you close it up and cook it. And then you can add your coconut juice last, coconut milk or coconut juice, how much you want. But if you want to grind coconut, desiccated coconut or fresh coconut before, if you're making fish curry, you can put it in this and grind fine. And also this thing, so once the oil comes out, you see the oil floating on the top, make the fire a little bit fast. Taste your salt and all for 5 minutes. Let it cook and then you put it off. Don't put any coriander and kothmir in this. Yeah? If you want when it is cold, you can put. So I will share with you, okay? Just busy now, just cooking. And share with you. I have to do a lot of work. I'm just taking out all the stuff, for you, Sherry. All the excess stuff and just giving it away, so I'm doing that. See, I just did my little bit cleaning in the morning. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff to do, and so I'm just doing the rooms now. My bird is not too well; she's old, so I'm got her in my bedroom, one of the bedrooms, and then I've got these birds over there also. So I've got to do a lot of work. Yeah, okay, more later. Okay, I will share with you. Bye. Have a good day.